So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to transfer data from old phone to the new GrapheneOS device on Samsung. Full migration guide. Method first is direct file transfer, cable or PC. Via cable, use a USB-C to USB-C cable between the Samsung phone and the GrapheneOS device. On the Samsung phone, select the USB connection option for file transfer or Android Auto. Open the Files app on the GrapheneOS device, then manually browse and copy folder from the Samsung device. Then second is using a computer. Connect both phones to your PC or Mac using cables. Access the Samsung drive to locate the DCIM folders, documents and music folder. Drag and drop the selected folder from the Samsung drive to the GrapheneOS drive. Second method is migrate contact. Open the contact app on your Samsung phone, then tap the menu and select manage contact. Choose import or export contact, then select export to phone or export to SIM. Transfer the exported .vcf file to your GrapheneOS device using cable, PC or local send. Open the .vcf file on the new phone to import your address book. Third method is transfer apps and app data. Install the F-Droid Store or Aurora Store for app downloads. Use Sandboxed Google Pay via the GrapheneOS apps menu if Google Play service are needed. Many apps supported Cloud Sync and will restore data upon logging back in. So thanks for watching.